Oh, these are for the animals. I'm gonna give some to the animals. Can I? Can I give some to the animals? No. Yeah. Why, Mama? Let's find some animals that eat this.
That's very far away. You know the other side.
Yeah. Do you want to touch it? Do you want to
Mom,
touch it?
go up and feed it.
No, here. They don't. Put your hands there.
Look, look. Look, look. Look, look. Look, look. Look, 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 look.
Sa Pilipinas, normal lang ang manok eh. Ang kalat.
Ikalat, pinabato pa.
Binabato pa.
I'm trying to feed it.
Dito. Pinupuntahan na. Wait, you don't just remove the leaf from the tree. You don't eat that, Yuna. Sige ka, kagatin yung kasi kanyang ano mo, daliri mo dyan. Energetic na ulit eh.
Daddy, I want to see the pictures in there.
Wait, anak.
Nasigaw eh.
Bak, 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 bak.